Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video from us. Thank you guys for staying tuned. If you are new, please subscribe for more lit content from Sunday and Bonez TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So today we have our next update from a girl Lyric. And you don't know, everybody love it. So yeah man, before we get into the video, I want to subscribe to the channel because we appreciate it. We want to grow more. So like and subscribe, share, do all of that. You see me? And on the don't know is a premiere release, so you can support the channel by watching a one ads, super chat, PayPal, any little thing you want to do. So yeah, let's get into it.
Wait. Turn on my filter. Cause you know she gotta put her filter on it. And she gotta put her filter on it. Hey, what's up? What's up, squad? What's up? Guess who there, yard? What's up? What is up? Hello, hey. What's up? What's up? Let me see how much I want to. So I am home. Hell yeah, I'm home. Yo, let me just say this right now. Hey, D. Leonie. Mama, I am back. Yes, I'm down here. Or airports here in Jamaica. Yo, America ain't got shit on us, okay? Bruh, as you walk in, temperature, mist and sanitizer. Come, where you coming, where you going to, I need a number. I said, okay, and a beer soldier. Hi, Casey. Madame Hi, hey guys, I'm so happy to be home. You don't even understand. It's like, yeah, I have fun. I love seeing you come into your own. You have always been here. So, oh, thank you. Yo, bruh, safe is an understatement. Let me tell you guys this. I was so scared to come back home. I was nervous the entire time. So when I posted that I was in Charlotte, that's when that's when I was on my way. In Jamaica on my way home. Yo, I was stuck in Charlotte. So my flight was supposed to leave at 3:50. Thank you, money. Yeah. Diviners. Hey, boo. Yo, I'm telling you. Hey, Keisha. Perfect Jamaican. Did you have a test before go home? No, I didn't. So the test in Arizona is $150 to get the test done. It's free for them because the insurance covers it, but I'm not native or whatever. So when I got home, I was expected to do a test. I didn't do a test. What they did was they made me fill out a form. While I was over there, I did it online. And of course, I put low risk. And then I got home and then my form was submitted electronically. And yeah, I thought they were going to test me right at the airport, but they didn't. So yeah, so I'm quarantined now. So you guys are going to be quarantining with me. But the quarantine, let me see, 400 and something. The quarantine with me is going to be on my Snapchat, not on my Instagram, because I don't have many people on Snapchat. And let me just tell you right now, quarantining at home with Lyric is going to be different. You know what I'm saying? Bruh. Shout out to, I'm going to have to tag them. Fix, let me just come here. Fix your crown, sis. Fix your crown, sis. Yes, bruh, I'm hyped as hell. When I reach at the customs, I have bag, I have my carry-on, which are this. I have my carry-on. It's small, it's really small, it just look big. But I have my carry-on, and then I have the big one to that. I never have the middle one, so I have the large one and the little one. And then I have a next bag. Bruh, it's to reach at the customs and them saying anything to declare. You want to see me? Evening. So I'm sorry, because I'm sorry if I'm not listening. I'm going to give a shit. I'm sorry. I'm happy. I'm beer and I want. Hey, I'm so happy to be in my house. This is my house. This is my. So upon the farm, them I say, who you live with? I say, me alone. energy tune up on the comedy, feel it up on the airplane. Me alone. Sorry. Feel out. No, nobody not there on me, not because I am legit alone. I am by myself. I don't have the boys. Right no more do I drive by and come pick them like one like a star car in Canada do I drive by. So this is me in the drive by. This is me. Why down window? And then just gone. That's some famous one do I drive by like me I said, let me feel like almost I'm picking them right now. Might as well I sell drugs to blood cleanse. Might as well I sell drugs. Might as well. Yo, you have them. The two things them dog, what you mean? You done rampant my money, I mean have them. So them dead. Yo, make sure by the time I reach, them dead here. That may make you know. And so I feel like me's a juggies, because I was picking them, I'm telling you, I'm dead, you know. And the reason why I was so excited is because, I have to stop. You like my clock? You like my clock, Joker? Make sure the time, yeah, talk to my clock nice with decency and accents, yeah, right? Talk to my clock with manners in your throat, you're ups, you're rude. Take a gander. I'm so hyped. Yo, being home is different, bruh. Just because, of course, you know, Arizona was beautiful. It was very white. Very white, you know, we saw that. I joke, I'm a man, Jesus. I feel like I don't know, I'm a man, but I like ramp, but I don't like ramp with me. So I ramp together, because we're idiots. We is frolicking in the snow, idiots. So yeah, so like Arizona was a whole vibe, a whole energy. Yo, I made a video, I'm going to post it on this on my page. The video slap. I was like, God, I felt like I was slaying the shit out of Arizona. I felt like Lyric every week is a different week. I'm lucky. So I'm never there long. I'm sorry for that. Oh no, what if I come call me? Come too nice. Why am I like this? My energy is my energy, you know. And you know what? I just had two energies. Oh shit. I probably shouldn't take them two energies before I go live. I should take them live first, then the energy, not vice versa. So yeah, so I'm just happy to be home, bruh. I am just so legit happy to be home in Jamaica. Nowhere no better than here, you know. May I tell you this, you know? Nowhere no better than here, dog. Nowhere. Like, this is my country. When I reach my, hi! I don't even know them money. Like, the people that work, they and them, you know, them work and stuff. Good day. Clean skin. Just heal everybody, sir. And I'm telling you, I'll be a soldier. That Maria, that Bojan, our health smaddy. Our health smaddy. Who is our health smaddy? But I just want to say, big up to Andrew Blood Cleanse Wellness, because them soldiers posted out to the gates, posted out to the entrance, instilled the fear of God in my body. I said, hey, you're trying to have corona. And you see them with the hey, don't ramp with me now. If I ever have corona, I must starve it till I dead. Don't ramp with me. Girl. I couldn't believe. Christoph, Mr. Tufton, sir. Screen card, me. Wait, I can't go pan with Mr. Tufton, so. Wait. Put on something on my body, so on the screen card me. I'm gonna say, oh, she seems like a decent person, but I'm not know that. But wait. What time? Afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Tufton. Coming from the US, I must say the way you handle foreigners coming into our country is absolutely exquisite. Having the soldiers being posted at our entrance, at our gates, is very monumental, significant, you know, to say the least. And I felt safe coming home to my country. Stop record now. I'm gonna tell you this, Tuffy, but I call it Tuffy goods, babes. Sir, make a go so heavy, come out strong like all, strong like Hercules, strong bar, Mr. Tuffy. Think turn up so tough. I felt really good coming home. I'm not going to lie. I felt like, oh, may I drive, bruh. My flight so I was supposed to leave Charlotte at 4 something. Never leave till 6 something, so 2 hours later, me have $10. 10 blood cleanse dollar. I'm gonna buy a Burger King. Right? So $10. I'm gonna eat that from about after 2. I say, yeah, girl, I'm gonna go in 2 hours. I go the blood cleanse. I reach up at 2 11. I say, Ron, I beg you, please. My brother come pick me. I say, Ron, I beg you, please. Care food. When I reach a juice at Burger Saggy, I name it like it's fresh from the oven. What you say? Girl. I said the hunger lack. Elias said lodge. Lodge right to stop. Me don't know. I feel like my death mute and dumb. Me can't. Me deaf. Me hungry. Me deaf. Gas the under my tongue. The gas under my tongue. Yes, I love a song, but I'm hungry till I don't know what to do. Bro, I like zinger. KFC, you know that KFC that good and I'm actually rich. I like zinger. Yeah, zinger, the chicken tonight, eh? Give me the ribs, give me the leg. You know what I mean? Give me them things there. But I name the zinger to blood cleanse like manna from heaven. Like, oh, this a manna. So the Bible never just say KFC zinger, whatever right manna. I'm finna say I this and that talk about. I did this. No, I'm sure say I did this. Bruh, hungry bad, yo. Hungry bad, man. But yeah, so I'm home now. So you guys are going to be quarantining with me. So I'm going to have like episodes. I don't know how I'm going to do this on Snapchat. But I'm going to be on Snapchat. Because this much energy. Bruh, I'm so glad you guys are having me. Kedis, yeah, that's so cool. Big up plush. Yeah. Bumper, I love it too. I'm just happy to be home. I miss them, you know. I don't think you guys understand how much I miss the boys. See, after I went live on New Year's Eve, I couldn't talk to them for 2 days because of where I was mentally. I was just dead. I couldn't talk to them. So those 2 days, like, it ripped me. So, like, when I went to the Grand Canyon, I haven't spoken to the boys. So going to the Grand Canyon and calling them that day, it was just like epic, bro. Epic. And because I'm home now, because I'm quarantining too, I can call them whenever I want. You know, I'm not wait to meet back at the yard with Arizona. I'm not ask nobody for you. I can go on a hotspot. I'm not wait for rushing and then go on, I don't know, somebody free Wi-Fi. Blood cleanse, Wi-Fi there everywhere. That's what them have corona up there. Wi-Fi there everywhere, fine, which is good. It makes sense and it's good for your business, isn't it? Because what it can do, I mean, people in Jamaica, I swear we don't think outside the box enough. I can't wait to have my own store, but it's when Pour Me launches and Pour Me Fitness, my gym launch, when lyrics, whatever it is going to be named, where you can get everything like concerning me, when that shit launches, epic. You see me? Epic. Because I realize, I'm not going to say this right, blood cleanse, I realize that girl, yeah, she blueprints. Man, I put much on top. Blueprints. A lot of people look to like what I've been through, what I'm doing, and I say, oh yeah, this is what we can do. Oh, my Snapchat is lyric. Oh, pin this. Thanks, you call. Hold on. When you come here, yeah, I reach home, but I say I look like foreign. Me come, I been home. I'm gonna pin this. Okay. I'm gonna hope it pin. Okay, good, it pin. Yeah. I reach home, girl. Let me tell you, bruh. It's, yeah, like a lot of, because me just being me, raw me, people are recognizing that, oh, Zine, cool, so I can be a makeup artist and this is all I want to do in school. Cool. Oh, I can do YouTube, bet. Oh my God, I mean, I can, and then come, and bet. You know what I mean? Like, things are happening because I choose to be open with you guys. But it's also the energy that you give me. It's the vibe or the spirit you want to give me. Understand what I say? Uno make me can do that. Uno make me can be me in front of town. And that means a lot to me. It does. But just to make you know right now. I say if you're not ready for quarantine with me and my antics, don't do it, you know? Yo, my friends, bruh. Of course, I can't show you guys like the full me. Come to think on the can't manage. That's why I'm gonna have me. Always so gonna have what name again? Sloppy Lyric. Girl, when the body come back, girl, it's gonna be on and popping. Like that is gonna be like just me. Is it with my experiences? I really want to do a podcast. No, it's just about getting the equipment and like a setup. Because I'm gonna get rid of this. The 3-piece set, I'm going to get rid of it. My living room is going to have like a bohemian feel. So I'm gonna have the couch then I'm gonna do a sectional, but the sectional like gonna be like almost 170 grand because I gonna have it made. So I gonna have that done. But for now, when them are gone, it gonna be like fluffy. What you call them? Comfort and like thick mat and furry stuff like with cushions and the lights and stuff, bro. My living room gonna be so lit. So that's what I'm gonna do for now, for sure. Post a snap code in the store so them can add it. Oh, okay, Jukal, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hey, Mama, me know the name then, Mama OXO. I know the name there. Travis 6. Who name Travis Bow win like OnlyFans? No, sir, it's not what. Come go. Now tell your mother. Come now tell your grandmother. Okay, hey, mama tell her this. You can tell your mother things, but your granny, certain things my granny just don't know about me. Broke my granny heart. Broke my granny. Maybe if I did, then broke my granny heart. You're mad now, blood cleanse. You're mad. You mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad bad. You're mad like shad. So yeah. I don't know one, Mr. Travis, kind of what you think, sir? I tell him, grandmother. Don't sit, you call. I don't know what my son call upon Travis profile for you, sir. If me can't, then I don't know. But Travis, I know what you think, so but my only fans, I have only girls. Hey, we're ready for them. Well, money must go, because money must have work now. Money, we're ready for them. Who is it upon the live? I give me name. Pebbles, Chanel did it there. I don't know Chanel there now. Ready, I'm mad, I'm all mad. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go now. I just want to let you guys know that I'm home. I'm safe. One more thing for top ball. Look at my lashes. Bruh. This filter don't have lashes, you just have like the contacts. But my lashes are going on now 3 weeks, almost a month. Naru _ essentials, baby. I got tagger, I got blood cleanse tagger. Because that girl lash, it don't normal, it don't. I'm not the type to like wash my face like this. Cause I know my extra, so I'm gonna wash my face. And I say, what? What you mean? You must be mad. I'm gonna wash my face. Wash. So I'm not delicate with my lashes. I don't comb out my lashes. Like when I don't wash my face, I go so and rub them so, and it's like them just, bruh. I mean, of course they're not as full as before, but they not even look like nothing drop out, dog. It's the lash for me. It's the consistency for me. Like it's them lash all down road though. It make me feel like maybe if I just did one lash. Cause you see all them stick around. I know what me used to, you know. Them lashes say, you know what, girl? Me with you through the thick and the thin. You know what I mean? I'm say lashes say you were there. You are my baby father. That's what I feel. I could have a connection. But yo, Naru did the damn thing, bro. No joke. Let me take off the filter. Can I think I drop my blood cleanse make? Oh, you take off the filter. Come off now? Come off? Why not come off? Is the filter still on? Why is the filter still on? Damn it. Okay, wait, no. Wait. Let me do this. See? Look. No filter. Stop it. Come on to me, eye. Stop it. It's in the crosses. Because I took off the filter and it's still filtering. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go now. But Naru _ essentials. Okay, 1. 2, y'all are gonna be quarantining with me on Snapchat. Okay, I'm telling this right now. Why I go on Snapchat? Because on Snapchat they can see who screenshot the things. I'm a know sound out there. I'm know sound out there. I'm saying nah. I'm go on Snapchat. Cause them people there, and I feel like una deserve. I don't know why I feel so. I don't know if the word is indebted, but I feel like I owe it to you guys because you guys share something. I'm gonna tell you now. from my and then I can speak to my psychiatrist, my therapist online too. So Yeah, that's good. I don't have to go in because I think I need to talk to her. Because when I'm this happy, because you guys know, when I'm this happy, like some shit always happen. So being this happy, I'm like, alright then, just relax, girl, just relax. You see me? But yeah, because you guys share so much with me in my DMs, because you guys share so much, and because you guys are also going through so much in my DMs. Even man, you know, man, I reach out to me say, yo, princess, sorry for him, myself, John, mama, sorry about that. Men, yo, when a man can reach out to you and him not say, yo, I don't want, no, him just say, John, sorry. You see me? If you're a man, if you do that, dog, you know, say, like, your thing not, not normal. You see me? So people know, and people are being healed, and people are understanding that, you know, like, what does song say? I think it's a Nicki Minaj song where say drop, fall 7 times, get up 8 or something like so. Bro, because the clock is Amazon. Yeah, the clock is Amazon. Sorry. I've seen it before, like when it's done smaller, but become more space between the hands, I made mine bigger. You see how my mind works? I'm so impure. And the gates every magazine, that kind of house like that, if them other, like them. Put them on the piece of them other hand. Like, them must not think about me. And then put up on the outside, on the piece of our other hand. You know, upon the original structure. Put up on the piece of our other hand. I thank God I sing it from there. On the gate, man, God, like, on the cusp, on the crease. Yeah, because you guys share so much with me, I feel like I owe it to you guys for no know, say, please don't give up. And because I know where I go mentally when, you know what I mean? Like, I know where I go mentally, and when depression just, it's like a wave sometimes. Like, I enjoy myself and like, woof, like, you see me? So, I just want you guys to I just want to be happy, you see me? And if I can facilitate that, then I have no problems facilitating that. God damn, my feet is dry. Shit. Hey, woman, something there. What I did over there, I'm a show now. And this news over there now, African shea butter. So for anybody who travel or are gonna cold place, believe me, this works way better than whatever moisturizing lotion them have over there. I swear. Them suck me up. Excuse me. Them suck me up bad. Yeah. It keeps the moisture. Because now my foot dry. Come on, put on this instead of me put on a regular lotion. Come on, say I come back home, so I need to put on heavy like this. Not a blood cleanse. It not go done. Yeah. Thank you, yeah, Bessie. Moisha, I just want you guys to just hang in there and to know that you guys are worth it. Because women in my DM saying I call themselves idiots, and I said them not strong like me and they wish them have my strength. Meanwhile, I'm over here weak bar. So you guys, I'm here for you, you're here for me, we're here for each other, and yeah, we have to make it in a dog. That's the thing. We just have to make it. We not a choice. We have no choice but to make it. Who the hell is gonna be down, be that low, where you can look up? I gotta drop on your face, man, I know, and just look down on the ground. But who's gonna be that low and be like, alright, then yeah, I can stay here. You're mad? Nah, bruh. I'm way too rebellious to do that. I'm way too stubborn to. That's my thing. My rebellion and my stubbornness, because I believe rebellion and being stubborn. Yo, I'm gonna have to continue this because I don't know, because somebody will call me. But yeah, I'm gonna continue upon Snapchat. Bye guys. I'm gonna save that live here too. I'm gonna save it for now.
Alright, guys. See them want to like, comment, share, subscribe, share the video if you want to and give it a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. We're out.